In the previous video, we learned how to add courses and how to add batches. In this video, we will learn how to add course content. So we already have a course set up with the duration being 4 weeks. It is showing inactive because we had not added any content yet. We add the content via the View Week Wise. The heading will be the chapter or unit name that we will cover in the first week. Enter the chapter name and click on Save. Now we will add the topic that comes under this chapter. To add a topic, click on Add Topic button and complete the form. You can add an image if you would like. And click Create. Now you can see that topic that we added is listed here. If you want to add more topics, just click on the topic button and go ahead. So if in the first week we will cover 10 topics, just add 10 topics here. Now to add or edit details of a topic, simply click on the Edit button, or to make it inactive if you don't want your students to see it. Now we will add the content or points for this particular topic. Content may be video, article, discussion. Let's take an example of adding an article. Complete this form. Add a reference if you would like. And click on Create. So the content that we added will be listed here. Now let's take a look at adding a video. Again, you want to complete this form. You can only add YouTube or Vimeo websites URLs. After completing the form, you can click Create. Let's take one more example of adding a topic. Again, complete the form. If you don't want to add an image, you don't have to. Click Create, and you will then see the second topic that you created. And again, it's the same thing for adding the content. These are the collapse panels. And this is the way to add course content. So we've added the content for week 1. Now to add the content for the next week, click on the next week link. And it would be the same as you did in week 1. We have a 4-week course, So as you click through, you will see that it gives us opportunity to add content for 4 weeks. Now, if we have any documents or PDFs that we want to attach the content, we can do that by using this icon here. Then you can browse to the file and attach it. If you want students to be able to download it, click Downloadable, Save. Now this file has been attached to that content. There's a few icons here as well. So you've got an active, deactive, delete, and this icon will allow you to see the students that have completed the content. When students read this content, then at the end of every content, they have an option to mark it as complete. So this is the way to add course content. Just a reminder, in order to upload a video, you have to upload your video on Vimeo or YouTube and provide the links there. In the next video, we will explore more features of the learning management system.